Hi, this is Roy. I'm in Johannesburg, South Africa. I overlook a building site across the road. It is a golf course, a golf estate that's been created. I believe the contractor is Murray and Roberts. I recognize the safety gear. Now, this chap in this little scoop loader has been popping wheelies. He's going over holes where people are working, and this is really appalling behavior. I'm hoping you'll be able to see one of the little wheelies that he pulls. Let's see if he does it again. There he's scooping something. He's shifting it around. I do apologize for the quality. I'm on full zoom, that's why. And also ultra low bandwidth streaming. That's because I'm on the Virgin network and we have a pretty terrible line at the moment. They claim to be having intermittent faults. I really hope this guy doesn't do something stupid. There was a wheelie. Now what's he doing? Zapping around like a maniac. See if he does anything odd. I notice those guys are really close to where he is. I'm doing this off a Nokia N91 using the Virgin Mobile network. That there is a hole that you see in the foreground. There's a person in it. There's our man. Lost it. Found it.